Hey, it's T Marie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching. If you're returning, hey y'all. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here. So for today's video, I am going to dye this hair a really pretty red color. I got this hair from HerImports. You can click the link above to see my initial review of this hair. So I'm starting with my BW2 bleach, and I'm just going to put it in this bowl and add some 20 volume developer. I'm just kind of eyeballing this just to make sure it's a really good consistency, and I'm going to mix it together. This is my lazy coloring method, so I'm just going to pour this all over this hair, get it all saturated, and I'm just going to work it through the hair. Don't mind my camera, y'all. I'm a little heavy-handed, but I'm gonna flip the hair around and work this into the other side. I wrap this up in aluminum foil so it can process, and I let it sit for 45 minutes. This hair should have came out like a blonde color. Unfortunately, it's like this brownish reddish color, which indicates that this hair was already processed before I got it. I did use the shimmer lights just to make sure it was toned down, but this hair was so tangled. It was ridiculous, y'all, like for real. This permanent dye is from Dark and Lovely in the color Berry Burgundy, and I'm just going to apply this all over the hair and work it in and saturate it. I'm so disappointed with this hair. Look how thin the hair is, like the ends and everything. So I let this sit for an hour so it can process. I detangled it some more, but I did get this really pretty burgundy color. Thank you guys for watching. I will link everything I used down below. See you next time.